Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I would like to do with you the unboxing of this box topper for the set Aetherdrift. So let's see what we can get in this one. And ooh, crazy. Here we have a forest with alternative art and foil. Beautiful. And we also have Web Strike Elite. So 2 manas, reach. He has reach, cycling for an X and 2 green. When you cycle this card, destroy up to 1 target artifact or enchantment with the mana value of X, and it is a 3/3. Beautiful card, this one. Beautiful. So this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you.